A&M EDM is a precision manufacturing company based in the West Midlands. We not only do ADM machining, which is what the name was based around when we started the company, but a wide range of precision machining across all marketplaces, from commercial tool making right through to aerospace. Initially our goal was to go to paperless build on assemblies of a project that we got within the business, but we quickly envisaged that we could use TotalControlPro across our business, across all the spectrums of the marketplaces that we work in, and give us an integrated system. So what we decided to do after the initial conversations with TotalControlPro was pilot it in an existing cell that had a controlled set of parts and processes, just to make sure that we got the actual software working the way that we want it to work, and it was proven out before we rolled it across the business. We sort of realised even at the outset that it wasn't going to be a quick fix and a one shot at it that was going to work. We realised there was going to be a learning curve going through that, but what we did like about TotalControlPro was they were quite happy to adapt their system to suit our business rather than giving us an off-the-shelf product that we had to make our business fit around. One of the first wins that it gave us was on the management system, whereby we could quickly and accurately assess whether a part had given us a return for our investment or whether it hadn't, and be able then to look at the profitable jobs against the non-profitable jobs and quickly ascertain where we needed to focus in on work. I'd like to think that the future, is that we roll this out across the business, and then we've got a totally integrated system which takes into account all of our many different processes and methods of working, and just lets us understand how profitable a business is functioning, and then that will obviously allow us to target specific marketplaces where we're being more profitable. This is where I have to give TotalControlPro a lot of credit in the fact they have actually interacted with the workforce, have actually listened along the journey as to what the workforce liked and disliked about it, and have made adjustments to that software so that the personnel on the shop floor actually now are quite happy with the way that they are interacting with the software. And I think that's, again, the thing that we were very reticent about, was it's something that our personnel haven't been used to doing, booking on and off jobs in that particular way, and I think it's been very successful.